Hi, Crazy Web Hacker here, and welcome to this teardown slash repair attempt of a PokemonGo Plus device. I've got this one from a friend who accidentally put it in his pants and washed them, and the device didn't work after it properly. The thing is, in the web, there are many people who are telling that this device is actually pretty resistant against washing attempts. So we can look what's wrong. Maybe there's some wiring broken or anything. So at first we need to disassemble it, and the first thing is, I never used it by the way before, so I never opened it, and I am also clueless what's in it. So as you can see, there is one single screw which we are going to remove first, and so yes, yeah, okay, and then there is the battery in there. So he actually told me that he changed the battery after his accident, but we can test it. Maybe there's something. What is this actually? CR2032. I don't know, it may be 3 volts or something. So this should be actually a new battery. So let's look. Okay. There seemed to be no voltage on it, which is kind of strange because actually if the battery is empty, then there should be some 1 or 2 volts on it, but the device just don't consumes it anymore because it's empty. Well, the thing is, I don't have actually a battery like this here somewhere, so we can maybe just try to just enable it with external power source. A quick research showed that the battery has 3 volts, so just don't misinterpret the polarity, because this could be pretty fatal. So this seems to be plus, and this stuff seems to be minus. And here on the side there is a lash that seems to be plus. So let's just try. Here's 3 volts now. So, and it doesn't work. Okay. Another idea, I will tear it further apart and we will look what's wrong with it. Maybe I can attach this better, and if not, then don't tell my friend. The Pokemon company tries to hide its secrets by replacing the screws, but they didn't count on me. So basically this shield came right off. Okay, this seemed to work. Okay, and it works. After a few tries, I actually get it running. Okay, so the problem is I don't have any of this batteries here. So I'm not going to test it, but it seemed to work. The only thing we can still do is program it to auto catch, so you don't have to press a button if you want to catch it, but we can actually do it in another video. So let's try it another time.